begin.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. Let's see. Sun's going down, but you see it over there. Still a little bit of sun. On another day project on the Volvo with me and RJ. So today, man, it's hot here. It's like over 100 degrees. So I've been sweating, drinking Gatorade. Hadn't been really filming, but if this is your first time checking out the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon for future uploads and notifications. And we get a chance to check out my previous vids, and also like, share, comment, and follow us on this build. Whoa, almost dropped it. But yep, finally got the engine out. I'll show you guys. So there it is. So there it is. Got the engine pulled out. I got it on the engine stand. There it is. Empty spot. We got it out with all the accessories on. I don't know. I may pull it outside and degrease this and pressure wash it down and clean it up a bit. What do you think?
Yeah, we should do it.
Yeah, because it's your car. You need to get it all cleaned up. But yep, so there it is. And then there's the replacement motor. Of course, you guys have seen this numerous times so far, but I got that on the cover. So now we got this out. We got to break all these accessories off of it. I think I'm also going to take the water pump and everything off of this one, because this has a new water pump, timing belt, everything. So we'll also break down how to do the timing belt on these Volvos. It's kind of tricky because with the Volvos, you have to use a special tool to do the timing belt. So I'll show you that once we get it going. But I said this got a brand new head, but it's just the bottom end that's bad. I don't even want to mess with taking the head off and doing all that stuff. So I'm gonna just hold on to this motor in case I may need it later on in the future for something, or to get some parts off of it for this one. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do with that motor. And then we're gonna gotta clean up the spills that we've done so far. But so far today hadn't been bad. Taking our time, chipping away at it. All right, so if you guys hadn't seen, this is my G35 right here. I was gonna make it into a exoskeleton, but it drives and runs and everything. I need to see if it starts up. I know the battery was bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap this battery out. See if I can get it to start. That's a little battery. And then I'm gonna use this battery right over here. If I slip and fall and die, you guys will never see this video. Unless you're gonna put the video out. You gonna put the video out?
No.
You can.
Nah.
We'll see if we can get it to... Shucks. Close. Oh, so close. All right. I need golly. The key in it? The key is in it. Let me see if I get anything. You guys see anything? Oh. I hear something. Make sure it's in neutral. It's my seat for right now. Still good. Still got a half a tank of gas. Hey guys, comment down below. Should I make it an exoskeleton, or should I just take the motor and tranny out? But it's good. Sounds good, doesn't it? G35. But yeah, runs and drives. Comment down below, exoskeleton, but I think it's too, sorry, it's cut up too far to be an exoskeleton, but I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this battery so it don't drain it. Come on. It's hard to get off of here. Don't do this at home, kids. Need to get this battery back out. Whew. This is my battery I use for my winch on my trailer. So I'm gonna just leave it right there for now. Alright, I'm going back to finish cleaning up. Alright, I had enough fun for a little bit. Alright, as usual, we're already done cleaned up, do everything, mop the floor, we do all our cleaning up, got it done. Took us a little bit longer than usual because we had to push this Beamer back in from outside, and going over that hump, I didn't know that car was that heavy. And plus, something just bit me, so it's definitely time to call it a night. And oh, what was that? See, something else try to bite me again, man. It's time to get on out of here. So as usual, if this is your first time checking out the videos, please definitely tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon for future uploads, comment, share, and definitely give the video a thumbs up so you know we can keep the vids coming. Arj, you got anything to say this round?
He's gonna blame me. He's gonna blame me for the car taking too long. I had no traction. That's all I had to say.
And the bugs is biting. And as usual, thank you guys for watching the videos. Until the next one, peace.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes.